Hi everyone, this is Jel from Jel Tarot Guide. Welcome to my channel. So kahit anong signs man ang nanonood ngayon or yung mga taong dinidil nyo, as long as mag-resonate sa inyo po, take nyo lang. And pag nakita nyo tong video na ito, it may be for you, okay? It may be for you. So take nyo lang kung mag-resonate, okay? Reminder lang na this is a general reading. So, pwede mag-resonate, pwedeng hindi. Okay? And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, o taon mo to nakita and nag-resonate sa sitwasyon mo, take nyo lang. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano yung advices, messages ng taong nanonood ngayon. Okay? Welcome po ang lahat ng gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood or yung mga taong dinidil nyo. Again, take nyo lang. Okay. So, ano po ang gabay, mensahe for all the people na nanonood ngayon? Ooh, Six of Pentacles. So, there's Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Two of Pentacles. The Judgment. Oh, wow. The Magician. Wow. Wow. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng mga cards. Okay. And Seven of Swords, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck is King of Wands, Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So, pwedeng ito yung sign na meron ka. Okay. Or pwedeng ito yung mga taong dinidil mo ngayon. Okay. So, ang unang lumabas is Six of Pentacles. There's a big possibility for you to choose something. Okay? And itong taong to is parang meron siyang connection or pwedeng ito si King of Wands or ikaw to. Okay? Pero sa nararamdaman ko, itong si King of Wands is ito yung alam mo yun, parang darating siya sa buhay mo or pwedeng kakilala mo na to and tutulungan ka ng taong to. Sobrang laki ng kumbaga, impact ng taong to sa buhay mo. Okay? Kasi nakikita niyo merong magandang mayaman, pwede din, mayaman na tao, natutulungan itong mga taong nangangailangan. And yung pagtulong niya is genuine. Okay? Totoo, punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Okay? So, pwedeng ito ay financial help, pwedeng ito ay trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, okay, trabaho, or pwede ding love, okay? So, kahit anumang aspeto sa buhay mo, there is someone, pwedeng ito ay si King of Wands na darating sa'yo, okay? And you have to choose something, or this person is choosing, or something na meron siyang pinag-iisipan, and yung decision niya is pwedeng ikaw yung pipiliin niya, or pwede meron itong connection sa'yo, okay? Kasi, nakikita niyo meron tao dito, meron siyang hawak na dalawang coin, and yung dalawang coin na nandito is merong, kumbaga, consequences, kung ano yung pipiliin. It's either this one, na meron magandang malaking barko, okay, or ito, na merong maliit na barko, okay. So, this person is, alam mo yun, parang nag-iisip siya kung ano yung magandang gawin para sa iyo, okay? Kung ito man tong dinidil mo na si King of Wands. Pero kung ikaw man to, you have to choose wisely. You have to think a million times, okay? And you have to, to search to get some information para maayos yung pag-decide mo kung yung pagpili mo sa kung ano man yung kumbaga tinitibok ng puso mo, kung ano man yung gusto mo. Okay? Kasi kung ano man yung pinili mo, there's a consequences of it, and I hope na mapili mo itong magandang malaking barko. Okay? Kasi for me, it's a bigger opportunity. Okay? Parang mas maganda, mas malaki, mas marami. Okay? And pwedeng ito yung mangyayari for you to receive when you choose this kind of pentacle. Okay? Person or ikaw to mismo natutulong sa mga tao nangangailangan. And ito na, as I said kanina, sobrang ganda kasi there's a judgment and the magician. Okay? This card, ito, This card represents as answered prayers. Lahat ng mga inaasam sa buhay in God's perfect time, okay, darating siya sa'yo. Ibibigay. Pwedeng ito ay through person with this King of Wands or pwedeng panahon, okay, na hindi mo ine-expect, hindi mo inaasam. I mean, hindi mo siya, kumbaga, ine-expect that day, okay, pero darating siya. It's a good news for you, okay? Kasi nakikita nyo merong angel dito and maraming taong nakaganon, ready to receive this kind of blessing na ibibigay ng angel dito. Okay, so sobrang ganda. There's a answered prayers, this abundance na darating for you and the magician. Okay, so lahat ng mga magagandang bagay, itong card na to, wala tong halong negative. Okay, kung ano man yung inaasam-asam mo sa buhay, darating at darating sa'yo. Pwedeng ito ay magbibigay from this person or panahon mismo yung magbibigay sa'yo. Okay, and your table will be filled with a lot of beautiful things, pwedeng pagkain, pwedeng mga bagay na inaasam-asam mo, yung sitwasyon na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, andun sa table mo mismo, andun sa mesa mo mismo, okay? Kasi nakikita nyo merong mesa dito and lahat ng mga bagay na kailangan niya dito, okay, is nasa mesa niya, okay? It is completely for you, okay? Nakalahad na para sa'yo, andyan na sa mesa mo, okay? So, sobrang ganda. Merong wands, sword, cup, and coin. Lahat ng mga aspeto sa buhay na inaasam-asam mo is darating for you in God's perfect time. Pwedeng idadaan sa tao, pwedeng itong taong to is tutulungan ka, big impact for you, okay, sa buhay mo, or kung hindi naman, pwedeng trabaho, pwedeng negosyo, pwedeng pag-aaral, scholarship, na darating sa'yo, and kumbaga malaki yung blessing, abundance, financial help, financial gain, okay, wishes, manifestations na darating sa'yo, okay, but you have to choose wisely, you have to think wisely, you have to get some information para makapili ka sa mas magandang option, okay? And Seven of Swords, this card represents as something na wag kang matakot, okay? Tanggalin mo tong mga anxieties mo, tanggalin mo tong mga kabado moments, okay? It's okay to feel na kumbaga kabahan ka. It's normal, okay? Pero kung naka-hindrance man to, nagbibigay man to sa'yo ng hirap about sa confidence mo, about to choose something na papangunahan ka ng takot, tanggalin mo to. Okay? Kasi ito yung kumbaga, magba-block sa'yo for you to receive this kind of abundance, for you to receive this kind of beautiful things in life. Okay? So, tanggalin mo tong lahat ng mga swords na nandito and ready to receive this kind of beautiful things. Pwedeng tao or pwedeng other opportunities in life, okay? So, sobrang ganda. Ang mga cards natin ngayon, it's all about manifestations, receiving a abundance, receiving a gift from the universe, from God, okay? In God's perfect time, in God's will, in God's way, okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading. Naway nagustuhan nyo ang cards natin ngayon gamit ang ating tarot card. And huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the notification bell for you to receive sa ating next videos na i-upload. Okay? So, thank you and God bless!